We bring you continuing coverage of the Zachary Adams versus the state of Tennessee case. After a recantment statement, Adams appeared in court for day 2 in relation to the Holly Bobo case. WBBJ 7 Eyewitness News reporter Brooklyn Kent is live in studio tonight with that story. Brooklyn.
Yes, Brad. This afternoon, the court was able to hear from 3 witnesses from the Holly Bobo trial. 2 of these witnesses share what they remember from the original trial and evidence presented. Here's a look.
You've listened to all those jail calls. Do you remember any of those?
No, ma'am.
You don't remember any of those?
Hey, you talking over 12 years ago. You gotta realize I've been locked up 12 years in 10 different county jails.
Dylan Adams, younger brother of Zachary Adams, was sentenced to 15 years of facilitation of first-degree murder and 35 years for aggravated assault in connection to the Holly Bobo case. Dylan Adams appeared in court and shared that he had, quote, hundreds and millions of phone calls, end quote, with his mother while he was in different jails.
We know you've been locked up a while, but how many conversations have you had with your mother when you talk about the rape, murder, and kidnapping of Holly Bobo, and your involvement in it, and your brother's involvement in it?
I don't remember.
Adams also remembers the TBI coming to talk to him multiple times. However, he doesn't remember a time when TBI agents asked him if his brother threatened to kill him.
I mean, ever since we've been little kids, we can get into it. He'd tell me that, but other than that, I know that he wouldn't follow through. He just out of anger.
Okay.
Dylan Adams informed the court this afternoon that he wanted a shorter sentence.
Everything you've told law enforcement has been a lie.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And everything you said to your mother in those calls was a lie.
Yes, ma'am.
Why were you crying?
On the phone calls, Dylan Adams began crying after his mom informed him that his brother was arrested after his testimony during the 2013 trial. Zach Adams was also seen crying in court today while listening to his brother and mother on the phone during these phone calls. Albert O. Davis took the stand today as an expert in gun and ammunition. Former head TBI agent for the Bobo case, Mark Lewis, also took the stand.
Not that another case is less important, because it's not. But for some reason, and I don't know why it happened, but there's just a lot more resources. And we have no control over the information that comes to us. We just have to deal with it. And that was a big part of this, that just the sheer amount of information that was being provided to us that we had to deal with.
During Lewis's time on the stand, he informed the court that this case was one that used the most TBI manpower. He also shared that Jason Autry and Zachary Adams' testimonies never mirrored each other's statements. Live in studio, Brooklyn Kent, WBBJ 7 Eyewitness News.